All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to use the free converter at FreeConvert.com to convert your videos to GIF. You can also convert some other stuff to other things, video to audio, images to different other types of images, PDFs to documents, videos to GIFs, and back again. All this stuff right here that you see, you can convert using this tool, and it, for the most part, is free unless you got to start working with really big files. In which case, you got to sign up, and I think there's actually there's a pricing plan here, which isn't too bad, especially if you're going to try to convert a whole bunch of documents all at the same time. What we want it for is just to make quick, funny GIFs on the internet, and then over here, I have some goofy GIFs that I've been working on, including one from a recent Meat Canyon video about banning a computer. So I can just drag those over here, it'll upload them, and then get them ready in order to process them. So one of the things I do like is that you can actually play this GIF, and then you can mark the start and the end point, so that if you've failed to edit your video correctly, you can actually make adjustments right here in the program. The other thing that you can do is it's got the same sorts of settings that I would expect from other nitty-gritty converters, but it also removes stuff that just frankly isn't necessary anymore, because computers are pretty good at working with GIFs, so you don't need to understand how to compress a very specific variety of GIF, because it doesn't really matter as much anymore. So at the top here, you just have to play around with the start and the end time. You can literally scrub this video if you want and see where you want the endpoint to be. Like, I think I want it to end just before the character turns into a little cube. So I'll have it stop there. So I'll trim the end. And then I will say it starts here. I'll trim the start. And that does a different start and end time. I want to keep the width at around 400 pixels just because that's a pretty nice size when you want to post this on places like Discord or on Twitter or Blue Sky or wherever you like to post your weird GIFs, in chats, in text messages. I'm going to set it to loop 0, which means it'll loop infinitely, but you can set it to loop a set number of times before it just stops. But 0 is infinite. You can preserve the transparency if this is transparent, but this isn't because it's just a regular video. On the whole, I always leave these at a frame rate of 15 seconds, or not 15 seconds, but 15 frames per second, just because that tends to be normal speed when it comes to GIFs. Any more slows it down, and any less speeds it up. So just keep that in mind. And then you can really compress the pants off of this GIF until it looks like, it's really grainy and really janky. I'm just going to leave it at like the basic compression of 10, because most of the time, especially if you've got like a short 6-second clip, the size is not super important in this day and age when it's the size of 400 pixels wide. And then background, we can optimize any static non-moving bits so that it saves on space. You can click on this if you want. I just don't really worry about it. Again, most people have enough data to handle like a megabyte size GIF. I'm not too worried about it. So I'm going to convert that to a GIF now. So it'll show you how long it takes. This takes longer if you upload bigger files, because this particular video to GIF converter handles up to 1 gig in size for free. And after that, they pretty much can handle 5 gigs or more, depending on if you like pay for it or not. And that's a lot. So it could take you a moment for this to process, but for the most part, it shouldn't take more than like 1 or 2 minutes, even when you're not running this as a pro. And then once it's done, you can kind of preview it, and then you can hit download. So now it's done. So now I can download this, and the end computer banned GIF is 3.9 megabytes, which is not bad. It's a perfectly reasonable size. And then I can stick it here in my GIFs folder and save that right there. Now if I double click it, it'll open up, and this is the size that it will appear on like different services like Discord or text messaging. And that's pretty good. It's a good frame rate. It's the exact like play speed that it would be in video form, just in the form of an animated GIF. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. This is a nice free tool that you can use yourself. FreeConvert.com/convert/video to GIF. I'll put this link in the video description below. It's free unless you were using gigantic size files or you're using a lot of files. So that'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.